ever since the protests against Allianz down at Croke Park last summer, off the back of the UN special report, the GA has tried to sort of close down debate, has tried to say, there's nothing we can do here. We have to continue with this. Now, whether or not you think it's right or wrong to continue with Allianz, what I believe is right is that the GA membership should be allowed their say. And even if they're wrong, that's democracy. You know, the people in many countries vote for wrong policies, in my opinion. But again, that's democracy. You have to let people have their say this is what we want our organisation to do. The GAA is different from a lot of other sporting organisations. It stands for certain values. It represents the communities, and I don't think it's doing that very well at the minute. There's a very patronising attitude being adopted towards the membership of the GAA over this issue, almost a pat on the head and we know better than you. GAA has a very highly educated, intelligent membership, and to tell them that there's no way we can get out of this contract, there's no one else that we can take on, it just doesn't wash with me. You can try and get out of Allianz's contract. You can make moves. You can look for someone else. Don't tell us that this is impossible.